singlet video of this Casablanca Zephyr ceiling fan that I got at the Habitat Restore. With not exactly this one, but the newer version of this. I took this one down and put the newer version up, so I get to keep this. It was only just a wee little bit greasy on the top after sitting there for maybe, I don't know how long, and I wiped it right off, so it was easy, and I got those blades. But anyway, back to this fan, which I should originally be on. I have all the mounting brackets, well, all the mounting hardware, and everything like that. And here's also some of it too. Yeah, right there. And I have some more. I don't know where I put it, but anyway, here's the fan itself. Yeah, I'll show you the blades. Came with 4 of them. I'm not sure if they're reversible. I haven't really. Oh yeah, they are. It's like this more bleached oak, and then this more regular oak. And they're really heavy blades and very good quality. And it also came with its mounting bracket, which this is kind of weird how it runs. You stick this on the ceiling. What I mean by stick it is take these, put it in, all screw it in, and it's on there on the ceiling. You basically put it on over that, and then take this piece, put it on, screw it in the ceiling, and boom. That's how that works. Came with 5 globes. There's one big one, but they're basically all like this. And then the big one, just that, basically bigger. And also, I got the fan. Now it is a Casablanca Zephyr IntelliTouch. Probably see that. I'll flip it on its side here in a moment. Hold on 1 second. I'm going as fast as I can to do this. I'll get you a side view. And I'll hold on for a sec, please. I'm going to turn the fan on the side so you can see other details. Anyway, this thing is heavier than ever. Okay. There it is on its side. And man, is it ever nice. There's your Casablanca label, all model numbers and stuff. 60 watts. Some other tape from the Restore that I will take off. But the neat thing is, the neat thing is this flywheel here is all rubber. I don't know why it's all rubber, but apparently it is. A very big motor housing cap. It is. There's absolutely no pull chains and anything because it is 100% TeleTouch. And came with these two. Obviously, you can't take them off because they're stuck to that, but you can probably take that off. So you only have 4, but I'd leave that on. Yeah, it's a very nice fan. And I don't know how to install it because I don't have another down rod like this, but shorter. Well, I do, but it's like shrunk. This one's big in width, and the other one's small in width. So I can't really do anything about that, but solid, complete solid, top and bottom. It's solid, except for this right here, and not these, but this. This is the only thing that's not cheap, but I got a super good deal on this. I got this great fan Pretty much 100% brand new, except it's been sitting out on like somebody's, I think, shelf somewhere forever, and that's why it was so dusty, kind of. And it's never been used, so I haven't tested it yet, which I'm sure it works. You can kind of tell those are completely, you know. And yeah, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, one more thing. Hold on. Okay. Here's your teletouch control. So you basically push these both to reverse it. And then this is the power. That's your fan. High, medium, low, and light. On, off. Thank you for watching.